Hello friends, today I would like to tell you about luck that comes from finding a four-leaf clover, and a luck that comes with finding a person who can find a four-leaf clover. And why is it a luck to find a four-leaf clover? Well, there are many plants, there are several species, not just the purple clover but other plants that have 3 leaves. And sometimes they have a 4 leaves. And it's a lucky person who find the one with the 4 leaves. Because it is very rare to find a 4-leaf clover. The person who finds a 4-leaf clover can be the very patient person who goes leaf after leaf after leaf through thousands of leaves and finds the one with 4 leaves. And of course, if you meet such a patient person, you're lucky to know such a patient person. There are other lucky people who find a 4-leaf clover not because they are patient, but because they have ability to concentrate, to see among many leaves, these triple leaves, the one that's not triple but fourtuple. And so finding a 3-leaf, that person is lucky. The finding a 4-leaf clover, that person is lucky. And also, if you find such a person, you're lucky. You're lucky to have a friend who has such an ability to concentrate, who has such a mind that can see the unusual, the rare, among so many usuals, the common. Boy, you got lucky if you met that person who has such a sharp eye. Well, in both cases, you have to find, or that person has to find, a patch full of leaves that are triple. Well, there is yet another way to be lucky, to find a 4-leaf clover. There are people who have such a sharp mind that they can find a 4-leaf clover, even without a finding patch of many 3-leaf clovers. Like this bonsai adenium doesn't have thousands of leaves with 3-leaf clover or clover-like species. I once met such person. You can say I got lucky I met her. She picked 3-leaf plant, and I don't know how to hold this camera. Let me see how I can do it. Okay, would you stand here, camera? Okay. And she made it into 4 leaves. She cut it like this, and cut it like this, and cut it like this. You see? And from 3-leaf clover, she made 4-leaf clover. Okay, the 4-leaf clover, her luck, she didn't found but made. And I got lucky to find her. That's how I got lucky when I met her. Her name was Olga, and she said, I can make you lucky every time. I can make 4-leaf clover for you every time. And a few years ago, when she was a little more than 77 years old, after long illness, she passed away. And she told me how to don't look for love, don't look for luck, but make your luck. And now, dear friends of mine, gardeners, I told you how you too can get lucky in life. Goodbye, my friends. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you didn't. Give me thumbs up if you like this video. Write a comment if you want to. I would love to read it. Goodbye.